Today I'm in front of this wonderful early 1900s bungalow here in Woburn, Massachusetts with an updated kitchen and wonderful features. Come take a look. Welcome inside this wonderfully cared for bungalow. I'm John Lynch with Dwell360 Real Estate, and today we're going to explore some of its beautiful features and the details that they've done to upgrade this home. It has updated windows. It also has a wood-burning fireplace, private office here on the first floor, and architectural features throughout, like these built-in cabinets that are really special and unique for the home. We're going to take a look at the renovated kitchen and other spaces throughout. So come with me as we explore the home. As you can see, the current owners have done a wonderful renovation to this kitchen with granite countertops, cabinetry that goes straight to the ceiling, lots of storage throughout, has a wonderful large island, and it all flows out into the family room. The home has over 17,000 square feet of land with a 2-car garage and a wonderfully landscaped yard. Now come with me, we'll take a look at the 3 bedrooms upstairs. Well, thanks a lot for touring this wonderful bungalow. I hope you stop by and take a visit. I'm John Lynch with Dwell360 Real Estate. If you have any questions about this home or any other home on the market, feel free to contact me.